XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock Biometric Camera, Fingerprint, Smart Card, and more. Description: upgrade your home security with the XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Digital Smart Door Lock, model F008. Featuring a built-in camera, fingerprint scanner, smart card, password, and mechanical key access, this high-tech lock ensures top-notch security while offering smart connectivity via the Tuya Smart Life app. Key features: multiple unlock methods: fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key, IP, and Wi-Fi. Built-in camera and peephole, see who's at your door anytime. Smart home compatible, works with Tuya Smart Life app. Reversible handle direction, suitable for left and right-handed doors. Durable build, made from high-quality aluminum alloy. USB charging support. Emergency power supply option. Suitable for wooden, steel, brass, stainless steel, and security doors. Fits door thickness 40 to 70 centimeters. Certification CE FCC Approved.